Hey guys, how's it going? So Kit and I today went clamming, clam digging, just on the shore of Okinawa, Japan. We dug up some clams and we learned a lot. This is my first time clamming and she hasn't done it in years. We went ahead and did a good old-fashioned clam off. We wanted to challenge each other and see which one of us could capture more clams, and we learned a lot from all these people we found. So that's enough of the intro. Let's go ahead and see who won this clam off. Okay guys, let's get to this clam off. We're gonna beat Kit there. Matt, team Muteki. Matt, we're looking for holes. And I think I see one. I think that's what I'm looking for. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, wait, she's beating me. Is this a clam or like a barnacle? What is that? Okay, I don't think I have a good spot. Let's find some other spots. Okay, let's try this hole. Just use my hands. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. Cool, my first one. So guys, I'm finding some clams here. This is what I got. Put my glove in there too though. And I'm finding all these little hermit crabs. See if he comes out. So here's a clam, guys. Small. Okay, update. We've probably been here, what, a couple hours? We got some bags of clams. Who's gonna win though? Team Muteki Matt or Team Kit Zaki me? Just found this guy. Big guy. I mean, compared to what we've been finding. There he is. He's bubbling. So guys, this is the beach we're on. Not really a fancy beach. It's not for fanciness, for touring. It's actually set up to be like a farm. I guess it's for this like seaweed type stuff. Also, there's a lot of people digging up clams like we are. So this isn't supposed to be a pretty beach. It's supposed to be a farming beach. I'm just trekking through water right now. Got my water shoes on. Got a giant water for me and Kit. All right guys, so Kit talked to this guy and he was giving us some hints. He had a huge bag full of big ones and he said way out by the ocean, so we're getting way closer to the ocean. And he said usually the clams are open, so you'll see them close, like you'll see bubbles and stuff. And I was literally walking and I saw a clam open. He said they're not that deep usually. And look at this, that big one right on top, just like the guy said, got it.
You just gave me some.
Oh.
Wow.
You gonna eat it? Is that a clam? Salty. Wrapping up our day. Towards the end there, we were really starting to figure it out. Some guy showed us. We started finding some big ones, but we had already been out here for 4 hours or something, I don't know. So next time we come, we should get more big ones, but we only have a few big ones and I have a bunch of small ones. So guys, that's it. Oh man, back home, very sweaty. I'll just take a shower. That was fun though. Towards the end, we were really figuring it out. And We talked to some people that had just like buckets full, and they weren't even out there like nearly as long, and he gave us some tips. I guess you look for like little tiny openings in the sand, and if you poke it, if you think it's a clam, you poke it and it'll like close, and then you're like, oh yeah, clam. You grab it, and we got some big ones from doing that towards the end. So next time we go, it'll be great. But in the meantime, hit the shower and close this out. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all of you, and see you in the next vlog.